Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you know, I started a series of data science and machine learning. So this is the another video on that series. So in previous video I have explained the normalization and the methods of normalization. So in this video I am going to explain the methods of normalization with the help of a question. So let's get started. So here is the question: normalize 35. So this is the feedback rating data set which I have taken from the previous video, or in my series I have explained this feedback rating data very well. So if you don't watch it, you can just watch it from my channel. And now I am going to explain this normalization methods with the help of this data set. So we have to normalize the value of 35 in this data set, and we have to use min max normalization, and the range is 0 to 1. And z score normalization, we have given sigma is equals to 12.94, and decimal scaling, and we have to discuss that which method is appropriate, or we can say most appropriate for this data set. So let's move forward and calculate these three. So first is min max normalization, and the range is 0 to 1. So the formula which we are using, this formula I have discussed in my previous video, so you can just watch it to understand it properly. So x dash is equals to x minus min, so the minimum value of the data set, divided by max minus min. So the x is 35 because we have to normalize 35, and min is 13 in the dataset, and max is 70 in the dataset. So the calculation is as follows. So x dash is equals to 35 minus 13 divided by 70 minus 13. So the x dash is 22 by 57, which is approximate 0.386. So the min max normalization is 0.386. Now let's move forward and find z score also. So here is z score normalization. So this formula is we are using for calculate the z score normalization. So the formula says x dash is equals to x minus mean. We have to take the mean of the data set divided by the sigma. Sigma has given in the question. So given x is equals to 35, mean is equals to 28.44, and sigma is 12.94. So let's calculate. So x dash is equals to 35 minus 28.44 divided by 12.94, and the whole calculation is 6.56 divided by 12.94, which is approximate 0.507. So the result is 0.507. So by z score normalization we got 0.507. So let's move forward, and so here is the decimal scaling. So this formula is a little bit different from the another two formula. So x dash is equals to x divided by 10 to the power j. So here is the formula: x dash is equals to x divided by 10 to the power j. So the x which is given, which is 35, we have to normalize 35 and two digits, which is j. So the calculation is x dash is equals to 35 divided by 100, which is 0.35. So the result is 0.35. As you can see, after doing these methods, the result is minimizing. So first we have 0.5, then 0.35. So let's move forward and decide which is the appropriate method for this data. So the most appropriate method for the dataset is, so the min max method. Min max works when min and max are known. So min max method only works when minimum value and maximum value are known, and decimal scaling is simple but not very informative. Z score is best because it considers means and variability. So Z score is best because it considers the mean and variability of the dataset. So the conclusion is Z score normalization is the most appropriate for the feedback data. So we can consider Z score normalization in this types of data, student feedback data. So if you like this video, you can just hit the like button, and if you have a doubt in formulas or in calculation, so you can just ask me in comment section. I will reply you. So thanks for watching, guys.